This is TV18 and you're watching CNBC TV.
Welcome to the Global Real Estate and Business Excellence Awards. I'm Priyanka, and it's my absolute pleasure to be your Master of Ceremony tonight. I take this opportunity to accord a warm and cordial welcome to all present here, and thank you for taking time off your busy schedules. We want to make this evening grander, glitzier, and glamorous for each and every one present here at the awards. Today, on this beautiful evening, we are highly excited to have amidst us an absolute superstar who will add that extra dash of glam for the big evening tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together and join me in welcoming the very loved and talented Sunil Shetty. In the words of Aristotle, we are what we repeatedly do. Excellence, then, is not an act, but a habit. Ladies and gentlemen, here's the most anticipated moment that all have been waiting for, the Global Real Estate and Business Excellence Awards. May I request Mr. Pradeep Pinto, CEO at Sync Advertising, to kindly escort Dr. Tariq Nizami, founder and CEO of CEO Clubs Network, as well as the most vivacious and renowned Bollywood star, Sunil Shetty, onto the stage to present the awards. On behalf of AdSync Advertising, it is indeed my pleasure to be addressing some of the brightest minds of the real estate and business fraternity. So let's march ahead with the awards tonight. Firstly, we have the award for the Developer of the Year commercial that goes to Bhutani Infra, Delhi. May I request Mr. Rishi Gupta, Senior Vice President, and Ali Sahar, Associate Vice President, to receive the award.
Well, thank you, everybody. It's been a great honor to receive this award on behalf of my organization. We've been a 22-year-old group. Predominantly, our base is in Delhi NCR. And our main core and aim of the group is to make very unique and iconic structures. We are the only developers in NCR, who has done the fastest construction in last 2 years. And we've been, able to deliver some iconic projects on the grounds of, Marina Bay Sands, like Singapore. I would like to, again, thank you, all of you, for this award.
Next, we have the Best Residential Developer of the Year, which goes to Nahar Group, Mumbai, for the project Excalibur. I request Mr. Ajay Nahar, Managing Director, Nahar Group, to come forward to receive the award.
Getting the best developer gives me a great pleasure to be in Dubai, being amongst my people in Dubai, and taking this back to India and telling us that all of us in India that there is a hope for this real estate market to spring up back in action, and definitely don't rule out luxury options because luxury is still there and it's still a demand, and hope to sustain and be the same way that we've been there for 45 years in the market.
The next award is for the Developer of the Year South India, which goes to Puravankara, Bangalore. The award will be received by Mr. Azhar Pasha, Sales Head and Manager, Middle East. The Trusted Developer of the Year goes to Adani Realty. May I request Mr. Atharva Parekh, Head International Sales, to receive the award. Can we have the round of applause, please?
I congratulate AdSync for organizing such a nice evening and this award show. And just one thing what I would like to say is, everyone has waited enough, stating that the markets are down and all those things. But with the positive reforms coming on in the Indian government, I wish everyone all the best for the good times to come. Thank you.
The next award is for the best affordable homes in changing areas of Mumbai. And this is awarded to Aventus Heights, Aventus Realty. I call upon the directors of the company, Mr. Vinod Mehta and Mr. Deven Modi, to receive the award.
After the demonetization, people were asking us कि अब क्या होएगा real estate का. So we said we are into the affordable housing. आदमी ताज होटल, ओबेरॉय होटल में जाना शायद बंद करे, पर सुख सागर होटल में जाना बंद नहीं करता है. So हमारा मार्केट तो ऑलवेज ओपन ही रहेगा और चलता रहेगा.
Up next on the list is the award for the best themed green project of the year, which goes to SNN Raj Green Bay by SNN Builders, Bangalore. I call upon Ms. Uma Srinivasan, Senior Vice President, SNN Builders, to come forward to receive the award.
We are among the top 100 builders, and each and every project of ours are all theme-based projects. Like Green Project, which is in Electronic City, we have given the biggest of clubhouse, not only in India, have not seen one abroad also like that. It's called Serenity on Begur Road. We have given 100,000 square feet of Central Park with 5 zones of cascading swimming pool with 9 sky gardens. Like all our projects are extremely theme-based, and we give the entire lifestyle sabbatical for the entire family to rejoice. 2 years back, we have acquired from SR Group the project called SNN Claremont, which used to be called Equinox Water's Edge before. Most iconic projects, it's ground plus 40 floors, very extended clubhouse, as well as sports academy. SNN Builders, we always give good return on investment. At the same time, we make a win-win situation for one and all.
Moving on, we have the award for the best township project of the year, which goes to Rustomjee, Albania. I request Mr. Deepak Wazrani, Head of Global Business, Rustomjee, to receive the award.
Rustomjee, as I say, it's synonymous with the trust that goes with the brand, right? Coming from a Parsi community, Mr. Baman Narani, who started this company 24 years back, was very clear in his thoughts that, अच्छा चीज़ बनाओ, सही चीज़ बनाओ, and give the best to the customer. He always believes that वो घर बनाओ जिसमें मैं रह सकूं. So we have a township of 217 acres in Virar. The houses that we make in that township are as good as the houses we make in Juhu or Bandra. So right from Virar to Thane, for which we're taking an award, it's 127 acres of township. Every customer who comes in a project says that, wow, this is where I want to live.
The next award is the best commercial project in Navi Mumbai that goes to Shelton Sapphire by Shelton Group. I request Mr. Bhavesh Mehta, Director, Shelton Group, to receive the award.
Good evening, everybody. I would like to thank AdSync to give us this recognition. Thank you.
Up next is the best commercial project in Gujarat, which goes to Manav Infrastructure Private Limited. I call upon Mr. Ashish J. Shah, Managing Director, Balaji Group, to receive the award.
हमने 2007 से हमारा एक बालाजी ग्रुप स्टार्ट किया था. 2018 तक हमने 85 लाख स्क्वायर फीट हमने फिनिश किया है और करंटली हमारा 40 लाख स्क्वायर फीट अभी बड़ौदा में बन रहा है. खाली गुजरात का जब ब्रोकर की बात करते हैं, डेवलपर की बात करते हैं, हम इतना ही बोलते हैं, हम सपना बनाते हैं और सपना बेचते हैं. हम लोग हमारे सपने बनाते हैं, सपने बेचते हैं और वो लाइफ टाइम बनाते रहेंगे और कोई मंदी नहीं है, कोई तेज़ी नहीं है. आप इतना समझ लो कि आप एक एस्टेट बना रहे हो. एस्टेट कभी भी स्लो नहीं होती है क्योंकि गोल्ड का प्राइस जिसने 20,000 देखा है उसने आज 40,000 भी देखा है. तो रियल एस्टेट में कभी मंदी नहीं है. तो जो मंदी है वो मेंटली मंदी है. तो सबका साथ सबका विकास.
Ladies and gentlemen, We now have the Emerging Developer of the Year Residential, and the award goes to MJ Shah Group. I call upon Mr. Marish Bajaj, Head Sales, MJ Shah Group, to receive the award. Mr. Prasan Thakkar is also with us here from MJ Shah Group.
Thank you, Ad Singh. Thank you, Mr. Pinto. So basically, MJ Shah was a private equity. It pumped in a lot of money to these developers. And like Mr. Shetty said, 90% jo band hua, we have taken it up. And the Bandra project is almost ready now. It's ready for fit-outs. And we have projects across Bombay and South Mumbai and in Chembur. One thing is most important, roti, kapda, makan. आपको मकान लगेगा ही लगेगा. Thank you very much.
Good news, got a promotion and a damn good raise.
Congrats, बेटा.
वाह, raise? अब तो इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी ले ले.
कौन सी कंपनी से लूं?
Choose वही जिस पर हो पूरा भरोसा.
That's good. But आज की generation wants everything online. Easy premium payment options, loan facilities और wide range of products.
पापा दीदी, I will decide. Just send your links now. तुम दोनों भी ना. Same choice. LIC.
LIC, trending with times, हमेशा से हर generation की पसंद.